Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how to turn off ad yours in TikTok. So here, as you can see on my profile page, I have created my ad yours on TikTok. So basically, to turn off this ad yours in your profile, just tap on the three lines at the top right hand corner of your screen, and then here tap on Creator Tools. Under the General tab, tap on this ad yours. And here, tap on the three dots at the top right hand corner. And then here saying select who can invite you to add to prompts. From everyone, you can change it to no one. So it will turn off ad yours in TikTok. Now, if you want to totally remove this ad yours, basically you just need to go to that video or photo and then tap on the three dots at the bottom right. And then here just need to swipe right or swipe left and find the delete button. So that's how you basically turn off ad yours in TikTok. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to this channel and don't forget to ring the bell icon to notify you on the next video.